Alright you guys, so welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing this easy look for you guys, these easy holiday look. Stay tuned if you want to see how I accomplished it. So first thing first, I am color correcting my face. Just want to let you guys know that I already did my brows, obviously. I did it with the Brow Benefit pencil. I will link all the products that I've used down below. So now I'm putting on my foundation. The foundation I'm using is the Maybelline Superstay. I know it doesn't look like it's my shade, but watch it blend in, girl. And the shade that I'm using is the Mocha 360. And now I'm just blending it all out. Now I'm going in with my Tarte Shape Tape concealer, and I'm just concealing my T-zone. And I am just blending it all out now. Now guys, I'm just adding a little bit more just because I wanted it to be a little bit more bright in those areas. So I'm just putting a little bit more. And then I'm going in with my MAC powder, and I'm just going to kind of set it before I put my Sacha Buttercup powder, which is the powder that I'm using now. Then I am going in and I'm just swooping everything off. I really don't bake anymore. I just set it and then kind of get it off. Now I'm going in with my Lancome foundation stick, you guys. And I love this stick, just to say. I can't remember the color that I used, but I will link it down below. Alright you guys, now I am getting that powder off of my face. My True Complexion contour palette, I'm using that darkest shade just to set that cream contour that I put there. Now I'm going in with my Broken Covergirl Queen bronzer and just going in to bring back a little bit more color to my cheekbones and my forehead. Then I am using my Huda Beauty palette, and I am going in with this really pink, pretty pink shade, and I'm going right above my crease. Now I'm going into this color, and I'm just going to apply it kind of right under that pinky shade that I used. Then I'm going into this kind of maroon color, and just going to go ahead and apply it to the corners and a little bit in my crease, just to darken that up a little bit. Then I'm going and taking my concealer, and I'm just going to use that to kind of cut my crease a little bit. I'm taking this kind of sparkly light pink, and I am putting it over that concealer. Just blending everything together so that there's no harsh lines. Then I'm going to go ahead and add some mascara. Now I'm just blending everything together, and I'm putting some blush on my cheeks. Then I'm going in with my glow kit that I've had forever, and I'm going into that golden color, and I am just adding a little bit of that to my cheeks, my high cheekbones. Putting a little bit on my nose and down the bridge of my nose as well. And then I'm just blending everything together. Alright guys, so I did apply lip liner. Sorry about that, the camera cut off. I am going in with some lip gloss that I got from Victoria's Secret, I believe. I'll put it down below. And then I'm going in with my NYX lip gloss, and there you go. There you have it. The look is complete. I did put on some lashes, Kiss lashes. I will link them down below as well. Hope you guys like this look. If you do, definitely give it a thumbs up. And hey, join, subscribe, you guys. I have a lot of more videos coming your way. Bye-bye.